So we just got into another wadi called Wadi Ramra. It's a rocky road. It's not like Wadi Dissa that had the sand, but this is like an old lake, not lake bed, like creek bed or river bed, but it's phenomenal. This. It's really hard to even believe that I'm in Saudi Arabia, you know. I feel like this is something that you would see maybe in the Grand Canyon in America, or I don't know. The rock formations here are crazy. It's the same in Aula, this whole area. It looks like the rocks have been melted. Wild. Got me a nice little pillow here. I'll lean back in, relax. But this place is so beautiful. I'll be coming back for sure. We just entered this part of the canyon, this wadi. We got water and towering mountains beside us. It's just looking around here. Look at what I got.
Ha! Good. لا اوكي شكرا.
عفوا.
Delicious tea. Did you guys just see me climb up and down this rock? Whoa. After having my knee surgery, this is like phenomenal. This is leaps and bounds.
so that pretty much wraps up our tour here at Wadi Ramra, and we're headed over to Wadi Tarban. Look at this, mango trees. Mangoes! We love mangoes. Delicious. All right, so headed over to Wadi Tarban to wrap up the day of my 3 Wadi tour here in the Dissa Valley. Phenomenal. If you have a chance to come here, I'm going to link Abdullah's information in the description, and you guys can experience this for yourself. Absolutely phenomenal. Love every bit of it. I can't wait to come back. Saudi Arabia is not just a desert. Wow. I mean, I know you guys are seeing this too. Wadi Tarban. It's like I'm on Mars. Or another planet. It doesn't feel like I'm in Saudi Arabia. Reminds me a lot of Al Ula, which is not far from here. Wadi Tarban. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up my time here in Dissa Valley. So, we went to Wadi Dissa this morning. Absolutely phenomenal. Wadi Ura. Just another great place. And now this is Wadi Tarban. And it's this big, wide valley. There's people out here rock climbing, just enjoying their weekend. Just all nature, so clean, fresh air. Absolutely what I needed to start the weekend. Thanks a lot for following along. I'm headed back to Riyadh, and I really appreciate all the support. If you could drop a like and subscribe for me, that would really help me out. And thanks for watching. There's a parting view. All right, guys, the end of a long day here in the Wadi Dissa region. I ended up finding a perfect spot to watch a sunset, and it's pretty good. So I got 4 cameras rolling, so I hope you enjoy it.